Sleeping inside of the train, inside of the super cool train. I just realized you can take this thing and close it, and that is so much better than it being open. Just is so much better. It's easier to, it's like your gun's not so big and clunky, and it's just so much better. And this way, gonna boop 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 boop. Morning time. My favorite time is morning time. How much ammo do I have left in you? So now we're going to M4 to kill some people, I think. Missions. M4 Operation Cleanup. Time to clean up some people, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna kill them dead. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't get that close before freaking grabbing my... Oh, at least I'm feeling like 2 weeks. Try again. Sketch out. Can I go refill it? And I have that rent here, yeah, probably enough. Who cares? I can get the job done with just a little thing. Oh, I need some food. 1 sec. Oh, I didn't bring a card. What's my favorite? Let's find out. I'm running low on food. Something I understand. Okay. Now things are gonna be sketchy, but I have a plan. So we're gonna come close, and if you shoot the guy up here, it attracts all the other guys. And that's what we wanna go for. I think I might have killed everyone here already, because I definitely should be up there. Oh yeah, I remember I did this mission like halfway or whatever, and then I couldn't find the last enemy. I remember that. Okay. Oh wait, let me turn my pocket light on. It just makes everything brighter. Can't get ambushed by enemies. Oh, is that him? So we're on single shot. Dude, what the fuck? Maybe this makes me better at aiming. Definitely makes my shots more stable. That's good to know.